Hey guys, RedPandaMining here. Hope you're doing well, having a really great day. This video, I want to give you guys the review of this new Bombb EZ100C Ethereum Classic or Octaspace miner. This has 5.18 gigabytes of RAM. So as of right now, just gonna say it right off the bat, this will not be able to mine Ethereum Fair or Ethereum W, okay, because of the DAG size. So there is a reason for that, which I will explain throughout this video. I did talk to Bombb as to why the RAM size on this model is about 5.2 gigabytes. Anyways guys, I'm just going to talk about this model here, what I've been doing with this for the past couple days. I'll give you guys the profits that I've been mining with this thing on K1 pool. I'm currently mining Octaspace and Zilliqa and it's been going good. But when I first got it, it wasn't going very good. I did a live stream of unboxing this thing. So I'll explain all of that in this video. But first, thank you to yesmining.com for sending me this Bombb EZ100C. They also sent me a bunch of stickers in here. Okay, so thank you to them. Link down below if you guys are interested in this miner. But looking at the box here that the EZ100 came in, you guys can see here, nice foam padding. It's actually very good padding here, nice and thick. Also another piece that was on top of it. It did not come with a power cable. Okay, I had to provide my own. All right, just a North American plug. We are running this on 120 volts, so it is just a typical computer power cable, which is able to run on 110 volts or 120 volt power, North American power. But of course, it can run on 240 volt as well. It did also come with these ears, okay, to rack mount it to a server rack if you wish. Unfortunately, I did not get any screws with these, so I don't know if they've forgotten the screws when they packaged this all up. But otherwise, this unit looks very similar, you guys may remember, to a Jazz miner. Okay, this is Bombb. Bombb is a newer company that has created one of these Ethereum Classic miners. They made this for Ethereum Classic mining, and let me explain now the reasoning for the 5.18 gigabytes of RAM size. So their reasoning, they told me, was because of the manufacturing process and as well as the efficiency that they are able to achieve on this model compared to, let's say, a Jazz miner that has 8 gigabytes of RAM but is an efficiency of 0.33. The efficiency of this Bombb EZ100C is 0.2, okay, which is very efficient. This does 3.8, or actually I'm getting over 4 gigahash at about 782 watts, okay, so that's pretty much a 0.2 efficiency. So the efficiency gain there compared to other models on the market right now, this is very efficient, okay? This is a very efficient model for mining Ethereum Classic, I guess dual mining Zil, I guess Zilliqa, we don't know how long they're gonna stay proof of work, but as well, this can also mine the next hot coin, I'd say, would be Octaspace and Zil. So that was the reason why Bombb has put a lower amount of memory on here, 5.18 they told me specifically, because of the efficiency that they can achieve on the chips, which I've taken apart, you know, these types of miners before, and you guys have seen the chips are pretty big, all right? It's not compared to like a Bitmain or Bitcoin ASIC, which is a lot smaller ASIC chips. These types of miners have much fatter chips. So the manufacturing process, they said, was much more difficult to try to achieve more efficiency, with the memory also being like manufactured within the chip die as well. So yeah, another reason they said was that they don't believe in Ethereum Fair or ETH W as other coins to mine in the future, mainly because of, I guess, sustainability compared to like Ethereum Classic. Ethereum Classic was the main coin that they want to focus on, and which 5.18 gigabyte RAM size, this will be able to mine Ethereum Classic up until 2029. So still a good 5 years away, and I guess during those times there's probably going to be newer models coming out. But since the efficiency of this thing is 0.2, it should, you know, stand the test of time, especially with other, you know, Ethereum Classic miners we've seen in the past. But anyways guys, looking at the back of this miner, you can see a bunch of, you know, actually indicator lights on the back of the hash board here. Ethernet, got the power button, the input here for the power. There's a little fan here as well. Unfortunately, there is no Wi-Fi on this model, so the versatility of trying to put this anywhere in your house, you're gonna need Ethernet. Okay, so that's one little drawback I'm I wish they had Wi-Fi on this thing, but it's not really a big deal. But I guess the biggest thing with these, you know, it's quiet, you can run on 120 volt, and yeah, it's got 3 fans in the front. It's really not that loud. It's similar to the Jazz miners as well in terms of the sound. But let me show you guys in the computer now just roughly how much this has been mining on a single day on K1 pool. Okay, so here is the profit that I've earned with this Bombb Easy 100C. Okay, so I have it successfully mining to K1 pool. Granted, the first day I got it, we had issues, but Bombb was able to rectify it and have an update the next day. We were able to do another live stream of downloading the new firmware and uploading it to this miner. You can go watch that live stream if you want, but it's a very easy process to do it in the web GUI of the Bombb miner itself. Okay, so yeah, very easy. There's also a how-to on their website for upgrade instructions for anyone that has this. They are coming out with new updates and, you know, patches as time goes on here. Again, they are a new company, and so it's nice that they are actually proactive, very proactive actually. They actually contacted my email right away after that live stream and said, Red Panda, hey, you know, we're working on a new firmware right now, but thank you for testing it out, all that kind of stuff. So I'm glad they are proactive and working on getting new patches and up when there are bugs, which we had, you know, a lot of bugs trying to change the coin, trying to, you know, dual mine, you know, merge mining ZIL, mining Octaspace. It wouldn't work. We were getting errors, and so that was in the live stream. But the next day we were able to fix that by updating the firmware, and it works now. But anyways, we had a full day. Okay, I have a full day here of mining with the Bombb Easy 100C, and we've earned about $7.58 worth of, I guess, ZIL. Okay, which is about, we yielded 88.1. We have, oh, weird that we have a little bit of ETC here. I think that's because I was testing ETC just for a little bit, but yeah, that's a little bit there. But Pac-Man as well, 6 cents in Pac-Man, or 1.6. And then the big one, the main one here would be Octaspace. We mined about 3.49 Octaspace in a single day, about $6 US. So pretty good at, you know, 785 watts that I'm using right now on this thing. So it would probably make a little bit more, but, you know, we've had a little bit of a downturn in the market over the past 7 days, I guess, on Octaspace. I guess Bitcoin as well. Bitcoin really has been coming down. Ethereum Classic as well has also been coming down in price here. So the profitability of these miners, I mean, have been generally coming down. So take these numbers with a grain of salt. It's around there, but very efficient miner. Okay, so now let me compare here current miners on the market for Ethereum Classic. So looking at, you know, the Easy 100C, the Cozy edition. Okay, so they do have the 3.8 gigabyte model, which I have here. But this one that I have, and I did talk with Bombb, they also said that they have been shipping out miners. They have been testing them, but also saying that majority of them are going to be higher than 3.8. So you can see here, I'm actually getting about almost 3.94 gigahash on this Bombb miner. Okay, so higher than what they advertised. Okay, about 200 to 300 megahash more than what they advertised. So pretty good. I'm gonna put, you know, 80 megahash here. Okay, so that means my efficiency, which is about, yeah, I'm getting about 785 watts at the wall right now. That's actually a 0.19 of efficiency. So even better than what they advertised. So good on them on that part. Okay, just stay tuned. I actually have another Bombb Easy 100C that I'm going to be testing head on. I'm going to do a video of comparing ETC mining, also with merge mining ZIL, and then I'll do a comparison against Octaspace. So I want to see which one is, I guess, more profitable per se, and stay tuned for that video. Now, I have not tried the eco mode yet because I wanted to do a 24-hour video of just getting a full result of profitability on, I guess, normal mining. But let's be honest, who's going to run it on eco mode? I think eco mode is supposed to be like 500 or 600 watts or something. Obviously, I'm going to let this thing cook and let this thing mine as much as possible, because it is very efficient already. Okay, it's already one of the most efficient models that are out on the market right now, especially compared to the Jazz miners. Okay, so looking at that, also comparing it to the price, it looks like the prices of the Bombax are also competitive against Jazz miners currently as well. So the Bombax, yeah, it's pretty good. But the comparison to the Jazz miners, especially the X16Q or P, these have 8 gigabytes of memory. But again, this is a little bit higher in, a bit higher in efficiency, 0.31 to 0.32 on some of these models here. So the trade-off, which I just explained earlier, that Bombax said the manufacturing process, the reason why they had to go lower in memory was because of the efficiency that they were able to attain with their development process and manufacturing process of the chips itself, that they were able to achieve this efficiency. Okay, so pretty cool. All right guys, so I am gonna do a couple more videos regarding this model here. I do want to compare mining Ethereum Classic and do a bunch of other tests here with this Bombax. Again, it's a new company and there's going to be newer firmware updates and patches coming out in the future. But yeah, I want to do more testing on this thing because we obviously don't know the reliability of this thing. You know, Bombax also said that as well. So I will continue to do some stuff. If you guys want me to try anything, let me know down below and I will test it out. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. Again, thank you to yesmining.com for sending me this Bombax miner. And stay tuned guys, I'm actually going to be giving one of these away in a live stream, so stay tuned for more info on the channel. Make sure you're subscribed, hit the notification bell, all that stuff. I will let you guys know when I do that live stream. I will be giving one of these Easy 100Cs away. Alright, I'll see you on the next video. Have a good one. Peace out.